Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today at the workbench on the workbench. So I've got this bench top that I made many years ago. It's just construction lumber, laminated together and flattened. And I just went over it, as you can see, and reflattened it to use as a planing bench. And what I did to check for flatness was I went along this way, all the way through, all the way to the end. Then I went this way, went diagonal, and for all intents and purposes right now, it's flat enough. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to make a nice set of winding sticks. And then we'll go through from here to here to here to here and check for any sort of twist. You can do this type of work with any size plane as long as you have a very good, trusted straight edge. Because what you do is you go along, and anywhere that you think is high, you make a mark with a pencil. Then you come back with a good sharp plane, and you just work that area where it's high. You test again. And so if that's gone, you test another place. And you keep going through the whole thing. Once you get rid of all your high spots, you should the rule should not pivot anywhere. So it doesn't matter if all you have is a number 4 or a number 3 or number 5. Doesn't matter. The longer the plane, the easier it gets. So, how flat is your workbench? Very wise investment, but don't drop it. You have a nice, fine straight edge, and then you've got the ground straight edge on the back. Head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings. Your good friend, Walter, out.